Welcome to your daily dose of evergreen content videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we encourage you to do so and join us in our journey. Your support means the world to us.
Hey there! Welcome to my unboxing and product testing extravaganza. Today, we're diving into the realm of a 12-inch, heavy-duty, electric, and rechargeable chainsaw, complete with 2 lithium batteries. If you're hesitating on snagging this bad boy, hang tight, because this video is your ultimate guide. And hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Join the squad for more unboxings and videos like this one. I nabbed this gem from Lazada, and you can find the link below in the description. Alright, let's tear into this package from Ninja Van PH. No box and no bubble wrap. What's going on? But wait, are you seeing what I'm seeing? You're right, a sturdy plastic toolbox. By the way, I snagged this whole shebang for 3,000 pesos. I hope it's a steal for a 12-inch battery-operated chainsaw. There is a manual. All the details on how to assemble the unit are there. As you can see, the cutting machine and the batteries are wrapped. Let's check the batteries first. Initially, the unit was posted on Lazada without a brand. That's why I was surprised that the machine and the batteries are labeled Makita, the seller's name on Lazada. At first, I thought it was Makita, but a Makita, perhaps the younger and toughest version of Makita. Oh, it has a power reading capability to inform you of its battery life. I'm not sure if it's a genuine 288 VF. It's quite heavy and looks durable. However, it's plastic. Here's the other battery, with the same branding and features. Both batteries are fully charged. Now, let's reveal the accessories. The machine's safety shield, the extra handle for left-hand gripping, and the adapter for battery charging that looks like a laptop charger. Let's dive in and reveal the wood-cutting machine. Makita, the son of the great General Makita. This is a fully assembled 12-inch portable chainsaw. You can also see the screw knob for the chain adjustment. On the top is a rubber cover for the oil compartment. You should be careful with the blades, for they're too sharp. The package did not include the additional chain I was expecting as a replacement. Similar to a traditional chainsaw, you assemble the chain with its standard adjustment. It's important that you should not tighten the chain too much. Provide extra allowance for easy rotation, and lubricate it using any machine oil available at home. Later in this video, I will show you what lubricating agent I will use for this bad boy. The machine's plastic-covered body prevents it from winning a durability award. So, handle it with care. Alright, this is the spot where you will attach the safety shield. Use the provided screws for it. By the way, this unit comes with tools such as a star screwdriver and a box wrench. Always make it a habit to read the manual before you operate the machine. Let's test it out just for a quick start. Let's install the battery. Oh, why is it wiggling? The battery sits well, but it seems like there's space that makes it wiggle. That's not nice. Anyhow, there's a switch button on the side part of the handle. You have to press and hold that button before you can actually start the machine. You're going to press 2 buttons to be able to run the machine. That is one way to provide a safety measure. Once you release that button, it locks the trigger and stops the machine. At first, it's kind of annoying, but you'll get used to that. Alright, the machine runs well even without the oil, but that's good enough. We're going to test it with actual material to see if it can actually cut the wood and do the job in no time. Before testing the product with the actual material, I tried to charge the batteries to see if the adapter was working. I did not video the process, but I could assure you that the adapter does its job accordingly. I was a bit puzzled by the weight of the batteries. It's kind of heavy. I don't know if the manufacturing company intended it, since it's a 288 VF, and you expect that there are several batteries installed inside. But you might somehow question why the company would do that. I watched a video from a YouTuber, Jeffrey Repairman, and by the way, thank you, bro, for sharing your video. He claims that the batteries for the power tool he purchased online possibly in China, are counterfeit. Instead of genuine batteries, some of them resemble battery-shaped containers filled with sand. Here's the video, and try to think about it and ask yourself, do the batteries I have bought along with this cutting machine employ fake batteries that have sand in them? That's why they are heavy and look genuine. That's the question we have to ask the company selling this machine.
Ayan, no? Buhangin po talaga laman niya. Okay, mag-face mask po tayo. Buhangin po yan ng ibang bansa. Hindi ko alam kung ano po laman yan. Yo, mga ka-repairman, no? So bali ito lima na to, buhangin lahat yan. Ayan, so hindi siya legit na 48 volts. Hindi po siya legit na 48 volts, no? Ayan, dahil yung lima na yan ay buhangin.
Alright, here we are. Before doing the cutting, let's put some oil in the oil compartment of the machine. Here's how to do it. The available machine oil I have here is the 2-stroke lubricating oil for the engine. If you have used crude oil or engine oil, you may also use it. After that, always make it a habit to check the placement of the chain with its suggested clearance. It should not be too tight or too loose, just enough to see its clearance. This time, I'm going to use one battery. We'll see how many woods or branches we can cut with its fully charged battery. You might notice that there are huge logs that were cut in the background. They were cut using an actual 41-inch chainsaw and used up perhaps a gallon of gasoline. Anyway, watch the video as I use this battery-operated cutting machine with its advertised power and usability.
Let's pause for a moment and please subscribe to our channel, share the video, and hit the like button to inspire us to create more evergreen content videos.
Safety first. Before operating the machine, make sure you are wearing proper apparel, gloves, eye protection, and working boots to avoid any accidents during the process. Alright, you have witnessed its prowess. It does its job perfectly. I just hope that it will last. I will make the part 2 video of this perhaps 2 to 3 months from now to see if the machine still works well. You may visit the link below in the description box if you would like to purchase it. Once again, here are the photos of the cut logs, excluding the ones that were cut as firewood but are not shown in the video. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe to my channel, Silver Lining, and share the video. Catch you in the next one.